All right, let's get straight into it because today we are unboxing a serious statement piece. Pulling it right out of this classic red box, we are looking at the legendary Nike Shox in an incredibly sleek, stealth black, and vibrant red colorway. As we get a closer look at the side profile, appreciate the details on this textured, ribbed upper. This engineered mesh design provides superior breathability while maintaining a rigid, aerodynamic shape. You also have that glossy black swoosh blending seamlessly into the side panel. Moving right up to the front toe box and the central lacing system, you can see exactly how securely it is built. Flipping it underneath, you get a great look at that modified rubber outsole, featuring aggressive circular grip patterns for exceptional traction. And here is the main event at the heel. Fun fact, Nike spent over 16 years developing this exact spring-coil technology, studying race car suspension to maximize long-term durability and kinetic energy return. Taking a quick look from the top down and checking out the full length of the red outsole one more time, you can see how every single angle, from the reinforced heel cup back around to the durable front bumper, is purely built to last through incredibly heavy wear. Just look at how aggressive that stance is resting side by side. This setup provides maximum structural stability, which is an absolute game changer because the polyurethane columns compress and expand independently to actively reduce impact loading on your joints. Let's finally get them on foot and see how they look in action. The profile is sharp. Immediately, the comfort is undeniable, and the step-in feel is locked down. Watch how the forefoot flexes naturally with your stride, while those rigid columns absorb all the heavy impact. It provides a highly responsive bounce that takes the pressure entirely off your heels. If you need a durable, all-day shoe that does not compromise on bold style or physical support, this is a massive win. Drop a comment down below if you would add these to your rotation, and do not forget to subscribe.